So today I want to share a little bit about one of the most extraordinary things we do here at Hill Country Chocolate, and that is our premier wine and chocolate experience. When we started this, we had no idea that it would develop the cult following that it has today. But guess what happened? We had a reporter from Texas Monthly sneak in and do our tasting, and before you knew it, it is filled up. It is one of those experiences that is life-changing if you like wine and chocolate, and it is unique in the United States. Since then, it's been written up in D Magazine and is picked as one of the top 50 dates by Austin Monthly Magazine. And the reason is why? Well, I will tell you, it is an intense chocolate experience. We bring people into our private tasting room and we spend at least 90 minutes, sometimes longer, walking through a whole host of European and American confections, charcuterie. We even make a wall of bacon that we coat in caramelized cacao nibs. And we couple that with a detailed education about where chocolate comes from, ethical sourcing, farm to table, how we bring in cacao beans from around the world and manufacture chocolate for the first time here in the Texas Hill Country. We also manufacture all of our chocolates locally, so we walk people through that process and how you actually create unique and unusual confections in the United States, like gianduja, which is roasted hazelnut praline that we create in an old school melanger, and we combine with a crunchy French cookie to create some semblance of an amazing chocolate, but right here in the Texas Hill Country. And we do that by making it educational and coupling it with some amazing wines that we source both from Italy and also from California. So it is one of those experiences that if you come to the Texas Hill Country, you don't want to miss. Not only do we enjoy sharing our story and love of wine and chocolate, but we enjoy making new friends. And everyone that goes through this experience becomes one of our ambassadors about the craft of making chocolate and the passion of doing that in the Texas Hill Country. So if you're in our area, come join us for an unbelievable experience.